In this video, I will show you how to make money online by watching YouTube videos. So be sure to watch the video carefully until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first thing you need to go to YouTube, and I want you to type viral funny videos in the search field. You can see that these types of videos have millions of views, which means that there is a lot of demand for them, that people like them. Just watch. In a moment you go ahead and pick one of these videos. Let me tell you this one right here. I want you to watch the video to make sure if you don't like the video, try another one. This method works for the videos do like to, because that means people will love them too. Now I want you to use this video an example because I think it's a good method. So the next thing I want you to do is download your video thumbnail. You can download it by searching on Google and putting the video link. Now the next thing is I'm going to go to this free website called canva.Com. First, create your account. If you don't have one right now, it's very easy. Just click this button through your Google and Facebook account. You can do this after registering. Click on the design option, then click on the size and set the size to 1920 and 1080, and now click on the next upload. Click on the file upload to upload the photo we download from the site, and then drag the image like this to fill the screen. We'll go to the next step and click on elements and place this shape right here in front of the image. If you want to change it, for example, because we want to write some text in front of it, so now click on this icon where it says add a title, and you can type something like that. Here below you can put the title of the video and use YouTube's own title and type it here, and you can get the font here, change it. Now go back to the elements, look for the play button, and as you can see different elements will appear, and then drag on the image. The last thing here, we want to look for an arrow. Try again, drop one of these arrows here, just download this image. At this point, we will enter the Pinterest site. This is the website we will use to create it. It is a well-known website that receives millions of visits every day, especially from countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. Now, the first thing you want to do is create a Pinterest account. It is very easy to create your own. It is a brand new method that I'm going to show you in this video that no one has ever talked about anywhere on the internet, and not many people know about this method, so it's better to use it before starting when you create your account. You upload your image, then you type your video title here. The video title I use is this then and something like watch. Also you can add a description here or leave it blank if you like. We should add your link here, and that's where the magic happens, and people will see your image on Pinterest and click your link to watch the actual video. Fiverr has a lot of free traffic, but don't put the video link directly here, because if you do that you won't earn any money. Instead, I will show you how to put your link here, so whenever someone clicks, it clicked earn money. And if you are still watching the video, let me know what country you are from by something, and watching you can see this image that I designed look really good. And here is the secret that if want to succeed in doing this, try image, make yourself very attractive. If it looks good, no one will click on your link and you won't get paid. But to place the link and generate income, we can use the shrinkme.io. Click on registration and create your account by filling in this information. Put your username, your email here, and your password. Put it here, type password again, and click on I'm a not robot and check this box and register. Then become your account, and your dashboard will look like the minimum amount you can get from this website. Withdraw is only $5, and you can pay your money using different payment method, Bitcoin and many other payment methods. Now go back to your dashboard and click on the new short link and your video link paste. Here all you have to do is click on trim and copy this one, and now paste it here and publish. There is one final problem here that you're going to run into, that I'll also show you how to fix. As you can see, it's right in here. This means that Pinterest does not allow us to post link from site like Shrinkme. But don't worry, I will provide you with a solution to bypass this message. We will use this website as a bridge. Linktree, it's a very popular website, and if we use Instagram a lot, I am sure you have seen many people using this website. In their bio, after creating your account, click on add new link and then put your link URL here and then post it on your Pinterest. Now you can increase your income by posting more posts on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.